Today we're going to do this effect of having text behind characters who are moving. I saw this on the Bridgerton trailer when they said it, where the words "even a wallflower can bloom" came up while they were dancing over it, and I wanted to see if I could recreate it. Let's go over to Canva to do this. Before we start, if you find these videos useful, please tell all your writer friends. It would really help me, and come and join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. It's a nice, fun place to be. Okay, let's go to create a design, choose video, and what shall we have? I'm going to go for YouTube video because I want to work in the landscape orientation. This is Canva tips for authors. If you're an author who'd like to talk to other authors, come and join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. And if you'd like some free stuff, sign up for the newsletter. Again, link in the description. Okay, so the thing that I wanted to copy was in the Bridgerton trailer. Let me show you. No, I can't. I'm not allowed, am I? In the Bridgerton trailer, they had a bit where they were dancing across the dance floor and the lettering was appearing underneath the dancers, and that was quite cool. So I was going to see if I could achieve the same effect. So to do that, I used a ballerina. Okay, so there's this one where, let's have a look. Okay, so let's split it about there. So it's about 5 seconds long and she spins across. And then she strobes a little bit. All right. Okay, so there's my ballerina. Now what I want is the word dance to follow her behind her. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to see if we can extract her. So I'm going to copy this just so I don't lose the original. And I'm going to do background remover. That didn't do a very good job, but okay. So this is a Canva Pro feature. So let's see if we can drag her back onto this. Let's see if they line up. Last time I tried this, they didn't line up. I got 2. Yeah. That's not too bad, actually. Let's delete that one as well. Right, so that's not too bad. But she does strobe a little bit. I think she's just moving too fast for the thing. What if we slow down? She's still strobing a little bit, but okay. All right, so that's our ballerina. And now we want the word dance or ballet, maybe. Let's go for the word ballet. We want it nice and blocky. I'm going to stick with Canva Sans just because that actually does the job that we need it to do. Okay, and let's put an extra space at the start of this. Make it like that. There we go. Then we can move it. Then we can move it off the edge like this without it actually disappearing. Okay. Right. Effects. No, not effects. We get down to the side and we go to animate. Create an animation, which is not a pro feature. It's a normal, regular Canva feature. So we press Shift and then we make the word ballet come across the screen like this. And then we'll have to adjust the speed in a minute. And oh, we used to be able to make it smooth. Oh, there we go, smooth. Oh, see, now when you add this is what happened last time. When you add this, the two women separate out, which shouldn't happen. But anyway, let's look at the timing of it. We're going to have to fiddle about with it. So, oh, and the other thing we can do is we're going to go to the layer panel, show layers. We're going to put the word ballet behind the dancer, the lone dancer, but in front of the other one. Right, let's have a look, see what this looks like. That looks quite nice, apart from it going a bit nuts at the end. Okay. Now, it should, theoretically, it should have both the dancers, because they're really the same video, just one with the background removed. They should go at the same time, but that's clearly not happening. You can see it separating slightly. So what I ended up doing was, let's duplicate this page, and I deleted the front ballerina. I downloaded this as a JPEG and then I uploaded it again. So let's do that. Let's keep it as a PNG then. And just downloaded the second page. And then I re-uploaded it. Open a new page, right? So this is just a JPEG image of this lady, this ballerina lady. There we go. It should be exactly the same size as what we had. And then we are going to see if we can grab this lady, just the lady. Okay. Right, so we're going to go to, close this, go to that, go see all, and we're going to go for Magic Grab. Now it's got a little crown, which means it's a Canva Pro feature. If you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, there is a link in the description. So we're going for Magic Grab, and then we're going to grab the lady. Grab. It takes a few seconds while it just extracts the lady out of the picture. Like it says, grab a cup of tea. We'll have your image warmed up in moments. It doesn't take that long. Okay, so what you have is you have this lady that you can now move around. Unfortunately, Magic Grab doesn't work on video. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete her. Okay, so we're going to grab this one. Okay, so now we just have the plain background. We're going to go back to our complicated video that we did, and we're going to grab this one and we're going to delete it. Okay, and then we're going to grab this one and we're going to drag it in as a static background. And then we're going to put it right at the back behind the word ballet. And that hopefully should look a lot better. There. Let's have a look. That should hopefully look a lot better. There. So that's how you get that effect of having the titles in the background with characters in the foreground. Like I say, if it's all working perfectly and you have decent internet speed, which I don't think I have, you should be able to just remove the background of the video and just put it on top of your original, and they should sync up perfectly. I have seen it done and it does work beautifully. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.